Hey guys, Terry with Computer Pro. I don't have a preview on my GoPro. I don't know what's up, but at any rate, Tool Time Tuesday on a Monday, which is kind of funny. But so, talking to the old team, and somebody's going to be getting the backpack that I had. It's a little bit big for me, and they're going to have more tools. So, remember I did a review on this. It's a pretty good setup, you know. It's a Veto Tech Pack, kind of nice. I still got a few things in it. So there's that side, and then the other side, it's got this big clip to keep the weight off it, and a hook that you can hang it if you're working on something. I never use any of that though, but then this side's a big pocket where you keep all your meters and all that stuff. So they're getting this, lucky them. And I condensed myself down to a Tech LC, it's called. It's kind of like their regular LC, but it's made for HVAC. Even though we're not HVAC guys, I think it's laid out better. And what they did is with the HVAC side, they put like meter-sized tool things on one side and regular on another instead of doubling up the regular tools. So this guy is pretty cool. It's obviously it's a little bit smaller. I still have my outside storage, so I keep these guys I used for everything. It's set up basically the same. My 13-in-1 Milwaukee, some tape stuff I put on there. Oh, I did get in that, this is just a magnet stud finder from Racketeers. There's that Ubiquity tool. We got a couple of those in that I was telling you about. Looks pretty good. So you slide it all the way, and it wedges a little bit. You slide it all the way, stays in, and then you use that as a handle to just, I've played with it, and it's actually, it does work way better than a paper clip. So I just keep it on here so I can, you know, magnet stuff, stud finder basically. So a couple pens, markers, tape holder. It's pretty cool. If you, the bottom's hard plastic, as you can see, same as the backpack. If you don't want to get your shoulder strap in, like if it's rainy out or something, they got a little clip. You can clip that thing down to the top. Like they think of everything, right? So when you walk in, you don't set your clip down on water. Pretty cool stuff. So, all right. So on the outside, there's D-rings and stuff too. You can clip stuff too. It's pretty slick. In one pocket, we have business cards, of course. Got to have those. In the top pocket are stickers, rack and equipment stickers that we stick on things. You got to have those. So that works out good. As far as the tools themselves, go here. What it doesn't have, and that's fine, because this thing was getting kind of heavy and big, you know, I'm not going to lie, but there's these inside pocket things on the backpack that I'm probably going to have to find room for some conduit wrenches and stuff, but we'll get that figured out. But anyways, so quite a bit more compact. There's the other Ubiquity tool. Pocket layout is really nice, you know. I don't need too many. See, that's the thing, is you don't, for specialized things, like if I'm going to be wiring or doing some things, we've got hard cases that set up for that. So I hate to jam everything I think I'm going to need inside. That's what I kind of try to do with this, and the thing got beastly heavy, you know. I want to put the things that if I need it, I want it, but I keep it limited, all right? It's got these weird little slots. I've been putting batteries in them for my meters and stuff, but metal detector for certain stud finding uses. My basic favorite screwdriver set. Here's the other rack tool that I'll have to do a review on. I know I said I would. Remember this guy? The nail clipper rack tool. And here's the other one that's got a little hook thing that you just, so I had some credit with Amazon. I got those, so we'll have to try out those. But basically set up, flashlight, couple cool crazy pliers. My favorite Knipex stuff. Also Knipex, they're 8-inch electrician's pliers. Really nice. Really, really, really nice. And some more Knipex. Look at these guys, man. Really cool. I love their equipment. They got some great stuff. I got to get the screwdriver set. These are just the Smart Electrician, the cheap Menards version, but I just like these. I always have. Anyway, so that's this side. Pretty basic. It's got, you know, a small screwdriver extension with all the micro bits in it. So everything I would really need for the most part is in there. Oh, the other side. In the pocket, I haven't put anything in here yet. I take that back. I've got short patch cables for testing. Okay, that's a deeper pocket. In here, I've got a banjo, a couple batteries, some banjo adapters going from RJ11 to RJ45. Some more D-rings for stuff. And down here is where the meter side is. Also got this in too. And they forgot to send my batteries, man. We've got a bunch of the bigger batteries. I actually wanted the 2.0s because that other size, the smaller size, it keeps this guy's really, really small. This is the Surge. Remember I told you I don't have my other one here. It's in the van, but we're a Milwaukee shop basically, right? Everybody knows that. But we have a Makita 18 subcompact that I was using for my daily carry in the bag. I carried it here. But the Surge is the hydraulic series. We have the M18 one in the van, but the 12, look at this little guy. And this is the impact that instead of, bop, 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 it's just a they're oil hydraulic, they call them oil impact drivers. So the impact isn't mind numbing. It's very, very smooth and quiet. So looking forward to using this guy, but they didn't send my batteries, man. I got 2 batteries coming. But anyway, fits in here really nice. There's room. I don't know if you can see in there. Distance measure, USB checker, standard voltmeter, more batteries. I'll probably wind up throwing some zip ties in there. My electrical wall tester, GCFI, it tests load and stuff like that. It shows a voltage drop, which I did a whole video on that, on why that's important for techs. It's actually been handy. And my tone and probe, just a old micro scanner. Remember these? Fluke bought them now. There's something different, but got that. And then there's the other end of the micro scanner in there. And my handy little guy, Lynx printer. This is such a handy tool. Everybody that has them knows they're not cheap, but they're not expensive, but they're so basic, but they're very handy. They're so fast, right? You plug it in, things light up, you get a report on your phone. It tells you, like today, we were at that dealership I posted about, and we were troubleshooting a VoIP problem, and I needed to know quickly, does this line of PoE, where's it originating from? They had a mess. They had some injectors all over and a switch that we didn't know if it worked right, and we just needed to know, is this port energized with PoE, is this one, and we got everything going for them. But this was handy, very, very, very handy. So that's it. It's laid out very convenient. I think it's going to have everything I need. So my boy is getting this guy here, and I'm going to be rocking the Tech LC Veto. Veto makes quality stuff, so that's it. It's got the full solid bottom, so kind of rainproof. It's not nearly as heavy as this, and it holds a little bit less, so I think all in all it's going to be great. So that's pretty much that. I brought the wrong thing. I brought a Beacon Unify home. Got a couple of these in. I did not have an AP, so I can't really show you how this works, but I'll do a different video on it. How these are better than, paper clips and so forth. So that's it. A little tool review for the Tech LC, it's called. Once again, Veto makes awesome bags, awesome stuff. Yeah.